everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage the statuses based on brands in BoldDesk. When managing support requests in a multi-brand help desk where each brand has its service workflow, it is crucial to configure statuses that align with each brand's unique needs. This ensures workflows are optimized for each brand's operations, driving consistency and efficiency across the support process. To learn more about setting up a multi-brand portal, follow the link in the card above and the description below. BoldDesk provides a default set of statuses that can be customized, and you can create additional custom statuses to fit your specific workflows. To learn more about customizing ticket statuses, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Once you have created custom statuses, you can map them to the relevant brands for use in their workflows. Imagine managing 3 distinct brands. For example, AutoPlus. An automotive service provider uses statuses like inspection required, quality check, and recall service. HealthLife is a healthcare service brand using statuses such as awaiting test results, under treatment, referral made, and discharged. And Food Haven specializes in food supply services and operates with statuses like order received, out for delivery, and delivered. You can map these statuses to their respective brands by creating a field dependency between the brands and status fields. To do this, I navigate to the Fields and Forms module in the Admin Center and select Field Dependencies. Next, I click the Add Field Dependency button to open the Field Dependencies setup page. Here I select the brand in the Parent Field section and the Status in the Child Field section. The default status options will be applied to all brands and will remain non-editable in this setup. Next, select a brand and map the corresponding status options. Repeat this process for other brands. Once the mapping is complete, click Add to save the configuration. Now, ticket statuses will be displayed according to the brand, streamlining the management of support requests for each brand, and that is it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Thanks for watching.